BMW or Mercedes? Which brand really delivers the better ride when it comes to performance, technology, comfort, and value? Today, I'm diving deep into the ultimate German car rivalry to help you decide which badge should sit on your driveway. Let's kick things off with a quick history lesson. BMW, born in 1916, actually started out building aircraft engines. Fast forward a century, and their slogan, the ultimate driving machine, pretty much sums up the brand's DNA. BMWs are built for sportiness. Think rear-wheel drive, sharp handling, and a design that's all about the driver. Now, Mercedes-Benz. Founded in 1926, they literally invented the modern automobile. Their motto, the best or nothing. Mercedes is all about luxury, innovation, and making every drive feel first class. Both brands have a rich legacy, but they've taken very different roads to get where they are today. Now let's talk performance and driving experience. BMWs are famous for razor-sharp steering and a sporty, connected feel. Rear-wheel drive is the default, and their M Performance division, think M3, M5, has legendary status among enthusiasts. These cars are built for drivers who want every curve to matter. Mercedes, on the other hand, leans into that smooth, refined ride. Their cars are engineered for comfort, with a focus on soaking up the miles in style. But don't sleep on their AMG lineup. The AMG C63, E63, and more deliver outrageous power and a soundtrack to match. If you want brutal acceleration with a touch of luxury, AMG is hard to beat. Tech and safety, both brands are at the top of their game. BMW's iDrive system goes head-to-head with Mercedes MBUX infotainment. You get voice controls, augmented reality navigation, and the latest driver assist technology. Features like autonomous driving, parking assist, and advanced safety systems are standard fare. No matter which brand you pick, you're riding in a high-tech fortress. But what about price and maintenance? Both brands command a premium, but BMW's performance models tend to cost more to service. When it comes to resale value, Mercedes holds on to that luxury status longer, while BMW models often keep their performance appeal. So think about what matters to you most: lower service costs or long-term prestige. Let's look at what real owners say. Dive into Reddit or car forums, and you'll find BMW usually attracts younger, sportier drivers, while Mercedes brings in folks who want comfort and status. Both brands have die-hard fans and plenty of 5-star reviews, so it really comes down to your priorities. So here's my verdict. If you're after sharp handling, adrenaline, and that pure driving pleasure, BMW is your brand. If you care more about luxury, comfort, and prestige, Mercedes is your car. In the end, it's your call. Which side are you on? BMW or Mercedes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car content.